Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another wig video, and it's on the Stylist, the Swiss lace silk top lace wig. Why they gotta put such a long name on these wigs? I don't get that. But this wig you can part any way, a middle part, a side part, it doesn't matter. And actually this is one I have on as well. This is the straight affair wig. I'll link the video at the top so you can check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave a comment at the bottom. All right, let's go. I got this wig in a number 2 because I don't really do color. I'm new at these wigs and I really don't do color, not yet. The stock card, it actually tells you the wig. This is the inside of the wig. It has the lace front, the silk closure. It has combs on each side. On both sides, there's combs, as well as one in the nape area. And it also has these adjustable straps on both sides. This is in a number 2. That's one thing I could say about the Stylist wig. They are very, very thick. These, and for me, just like with this wig, the straight affair, at first I really didn't like it, but once I flat ironed it, now I like it way better. This is what this hair looks like. This is the Swiss Goddess, and this is what the hair looks like on. I just put I did a little baby hair. I'm not good with the baby hair, but it'll work. And I put a little powder in the parting area. And you can part this in the middle, a side part, anyway, left, right, it doesn't matter. You can part it any way. This hair is extremely long. Extremely long. And it is most definitely very, very thick. And from what I know about the Stylist wig is that in order for these wigs to really look good, you gotta flat iron them, in my opinion. Because the way it looks now, it looks really poofy and it looks very thick. It is beautiful. It sheds, oh my God, it sheds so much. It sheds so much. And this is just a little bit. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. Every time I brush this hair, it's so much. So much hair. I don't know about that. So much hair. And like I said, this is a beautiful wig. This is a beautiful wig. Beautiful. I love the way it got the little soft curl in it. Extremely long. This is a number 2. I most definitely will need to go in and do something about the part because, I mean, it's okay. And it most definitely blends pretty good. And I did well, not the best I could do. I should have worked with that part a little bit more. But this is me just putting it on. And now I'm going to flat iron it a little bit to show you what that looks like. Most definitely tangles because the hair is so long. With synthetic wigs, there's no getting around the tangles. You know a way to stop the tangles? If you do, comment that at the bottom. Teach me something because I'm learning just like y'all are. Okay, I got my flat irons. These just my old flat irons and it's set at 340. And we're just gonna flat iron the hair. And I got a mirror right here. Let's see if this hair do the same as my other hair. Man, this hair is so long. It's gotta be a 26 inch. As you see how silky it looks now. I mean, it still looks silky. This hair is really more straighter than that other wig. The other wig, which is the straight effect, it had more of those crinkles in it. This hair doesn't have that. I mean, it do, but not as bad. Okay, I'm still flat ironing it. You can kind of see the difference. See how sleek this is and see how poofy this side is. Even though the part is a little off-centered, this side is most definitely, you know, poofy and really, really thick and more like a texlaxed hair. And this is more like a straight, silky, relaxed hair on this side. You can clearly see the difference. Let's see. And then this side. This hair is beautiful. It is extremely long. As you see, it's long. It's almost to my waist. But it is beautiful. Now that, and it shed like a damn dog. I can tell you that much. It shed so much. It shed so much. Oh my God, so much. And it could just because I'm rough handling it. I don't know. We just got like a little wave right there, which I kind of like it. Something is really tight. Look at all this hair. Look. A lot of hair. This much hair. This hair most definitely sheds. My opinion about this hair is very, very thick. It's soft. It flat irons almost like Remy hair. You know, it most definitely don't flat iron like most synthetic hair. This is a really nice wig, and it says the most realistic, natural looking wig, and it most definitely looks like natural hair. And I'm assuming they say that because of the thickness of it, because this hair is really thick, and it is really long. I believe this hair has to be a good 26-28 inches. This hair is long. It does shed. You're gonna get some shedding. You're gonna get some tangles, because you're gonna get the tangles because it's a synthetic hair. That's just what it does. What else can I say? This is a number 2 color. I didn't glue the sides down, but you know, you can do that and make it look a little bit more real. I just did a little baby hair. I'm not real good with that. Let's see what else. It doesn't have a high shine. Well, yeah, it is kind of silky, you know, but you could always put some dry shampoo in it to eliminate that. But other than that, this is a cute wig. Very cute. Very cute. In my opinion, I don't really like it until I flat iron it. Coming straight out, to me, this isn't like straight out the bag, you know, throw it on your head and you out the door. I mean, some people like poofy big hair. Me, you know, I like my hair to be more silky, almost like relaxed style, you know, poofy. I really don't like that. Would I buy this hair again? Yeah, I will. And I think I paid like $37 for this hair, I believe, from Sam's Beauty. I paid it with my own money. Just a disclosure, so the video don't get flagged or any of that other nonsense stuff. I bought this hair with my own money from samsbeauty.com. Sam's Beauty, I need a sponsor. Come on, send me some of them wigs. You know, but I'm loving this hair. This is nice hair. Very nice hair. I'm loving it. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button. Leave a comment at the bottom. I see y'all in the next one. Peace.